Hi everyone, and welcome to another LEGO building stream where we are celebrating the home release of Jurassic World Dominion Extended Edition by doing a Jurassic World LEGO stream. And today we are going to build two sets based on the Malta sequence in the second act of the movie, which I believe is the best part of the film, to be honest. Overall, best part of the film. The one best moment, I think, is in the third act in the Biosyn Valley, involving the Wolverinosaurus. But anyway, let's get to it. We've already had the little polybag dinosaur market set built from a while ago, and these are being included with Jurassic World Dominion releases in Asda, I believe, in the UK. So they're still out there if you want one. So go grab one. We'll put that one back there, and we shall be adding to this with the 76945 Atrociraptor Dinosaur Bike Chase, which has Atrociraptor no name, but this one is called Ghost, and of course, Owen Grady, and Rain Delacour, and then a big one, 76948 T-Rex and Atrociraptor Dinosaur Breakout with the Tyrannosaur Atrociraptor, I think it's Tiger, I could be wrong, but I don't know why LEGO doesn't actually name the Atrociraptors. The only company so far that has bothered to name them in merchandise is Funko. Jurassic World Alive are introducing the names to the Atrociraptors as well, and if you do a bit of digging, you'll learn who's who, and I believe this one is Tiger. Again, could be wrong. Because it's definitely not Panthera, definitely not Ghost, and I don't think it's Red. So, process of elimination. Got the same Owen Grady as the other one, of course. Same Rain Delacour as the other one. But this one has Claire Deering and Soyana Santos. The only set that does have Soyana Santos. So that's exciting. We'll put the big one at the back because we'll get to that one soon. But yeah, first we're doing this one. So let's get to it. Oh, it has a bit of a size chart for the Atrociraptor there. Now, the Atrociraptors in the movie are basically the evil raptor squad. The bad guy raptors. And, you know, sort of made in the movie as the antithesis to Owen Grady's Ibris raptor squad. Quite obviously. And whilst the Velociraptors in Jurassic World were all female, I am assuming that these are all male. See, look, it's a single piece already. Look at that. Well, I say single piece, I've just realised that the jaw is missing. Oh dear, there's a bit of a horror show. Okay, we'll put that one back there. So, a relatively small one, this one. So yes, let's get to it. We start with bag one. Crinkle. And as always, dispose of your packaging responsibly. This should have a snip or a clip. There you go. Lovely. Get that jaw on properly. There we go. Get some focusing. Ooh, beautiful. Nice red eyes as well. Ha ha. Ha ha. Yeah. And yeah. And yeah. And yeah. Anyway. So pop that there. I like how the head has rolled by there as well. Looks like he's already had a bit of prey. Okay, is that the case here? Yeah! When you get that good spin, a good long frictionless, well, mostly frictionless spin. That's the good stuff. The very good stuff. Anyway, because there have been some Lego bikes where that doesn't happen so much. Right, needs handles. Oops. There we go. Now the bike can go brum brum brum. Put the bike there. Oh, go. Oh, no. There we go. Put the bike there. And then we haven't actually built a figure yet. So, I suppose we'll have to put them together. Okay. So there's the first of, I think, quite a few many Owens. There you go. There we go, that's another piece done. And this occupies a similar sort of size to the polybag build. Look at that. It's going to go together. So, it's all fitting together nicely already. Oh, and look at Purple Raptor. Look at Purple Raptor. Look at the purple on that as well. That's very nice. Purple with a bit of white highlights. Mostly orangey brown body. Very different from the previous one. Yeah, me like this one. 'Tis a vivid one. It's so vivid it has to be contained. So there we go. Yeah. And there we are. We got a spinny floor thing. The circle is now complete. Wait a minute, wrong franchise. So there we go, there's Ren Delacour. Focus, there we go. No, still not doing it. Look, I've got enough light, you should be able to... Yeah. There we go. With his stupid snake face tattoo. And turn around. And there's an evil grinny face. But we shall just have the neutral face. And there's nice details on his minifig as well. With a little bit of shine as well. Not bad at all. And nice attention to oddly coloured gloves. And now it says you can do that thing with the spinny bit, and then to illustrate the spinny bit, you put the baby green raptor on there, and then it goes. Whee! You spin me right round like a record, baby. Yeah. There we go. How well does that work as a skull? So that is the Atrociraptor Dinosaur Bike Chase set. See all the elements there. Got Ghost, got the stall with the brown raptor with the purple, got Rain Delacour, got Owen, and yeah, we've got the what I presume is a pit fighting arena, and, you know, breakaway arch and fence piece there. So yeah, not a bad little set. I like it. And now we move on to the big one. The T-Rex and Atrociraptor Dinosaur Breakout. Again, I believe this Atrociraptor is tiger. I think the clue's in the tiger stripes, mainly. And the fact it doesn't look like the other two. Or, well, three, obviously. Anyway, here we go. Yeah! Oh, blimey. I don't know why, but there's a lot more than I thought there would be. And here we go. Stickers. I've just realised as well, this one didn't have stickers. Hooray! A delayed celebration. But they appear once again. Stickers are inevitable. And like the previous one, we got an Atrociraptor without a lower jaw. And before we start bag one, yeah, we could open the instructions, but there's a Tyrannosaur figure here. I think this is self-explanatory. You don't need to tell me how to put together an ancient apex predator. We're not banging rocks together here. We know what we're doing. Ironically, the T-Rex would have been banging rocks or something to that degree in its day. Right. Because you see, you got the main body here, and all you need for the main body is to put, you know, the arms on like that, and then you got another arm, and then you put that on like that. You see. And oh, it's already taking shape already. It's simplicity itself. And then, you know, you got your leg and you put that there. And you got another leg. And you cram that on there. And then, you know, you got your jaw and you rest of the head. And then you get that on there. And you create your Beetlejuice looking monster. And then stick your head on the side, and then put your tail there. You see, I think that you know, sells itself. I don't think that anything needs to happen more with that. Any more needs to happen with that one. So, on to bag one. Piece separator. Ah, the Holy Grail. Lower jaw for tiger. Ah. Yes. 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 Yeah. Come on. There we go. Yes. I do like as well. I'll just bring a ghost in. I do like as well how the two Atrociraptors that we do have are the ones that were clearly inspired by the Isla Raptors, i.e. the tiger stripe raptors from The Lost World, and the white female Velociraptor from Jurassic Park 3. So I like what they did there. It was very nice of them. So we begin. Stickers, stickers, stickers indeed. Absolute concentration. Nice. Oh, look at that stickery, shiny sticker. Not so shiny. It's got caution on it. Some buttons, some panel. Bit of detail, bit of fun. And it's the perfect time to point out that either one of these Malta sets could have done with Barry. You know, Omar Sy's character. One of the coolest Jurassic World characters. And it's like, guys, you missed it. I mean, they might do something in the future, but Barry was an important part of the sequence. He is the reason the heroes got in. Well, in fact, he is one of the heroes. They might do a set in the future where they release the other two Atrociraptors and have Barry and whoever confronting them in some shape or manner. But still, that's not very cash money of them. Hey, look at that. Got an opening. A ka-chunk. And again, ka-chunk. Alright, the ka-chunk is not too solid, there's a bit of give. But, you get the idea. Ka-chunk. Once again, ka-chunk. And there we go. That's the Atrociraptor containment unit done. Nice and solid. And get that door open. Get that Atrociraptor in there. There you go. And ka-chunk. It's starting to look like a starship, isn't it? Federation starship. Wheels! Nice. It is time for wheels. Each one is satisfaction itself. Nice and chunky as well. Oh, Lego wheels, where would we be without you? And now, we stick them on. Okay, strange optical illusion is that these look like these stick out more than those. That's why I was just looking at the instructions. So you can see it's on the same level, but when you look at it from about that angle, can you see? So let's stick out more. Very curious. Oh well, still works. Yeah, come on. Yes. Oh yeah. Nothing like it. And then we can actually... It doesn't tell you to do it yet, but you can actually put that on there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Full truck. Park you back there somewhere. Brum. Ooh, that's a very good truck. I like that truck. Okay. Bag 4. Final bag. So there we go. I think this is my first Claire Dearing Bryce Dallas Howard minifigure. Because I didn't get the older Jurassic sets. There we go, a bit of a scared face. And relaxed face. Oh, actually, no, this is my second one. Because I got a Claire Dearing in that Count Cretaceous set that had her in. So I have got one already, but this is my first movie-based, well, direct movie-based one. Not sure about the hairpiece. This hairpiece they used for Black Widow in the Avengers line, which wasn't really accurate. Same here, I think. Yeah, if it was one of those slightly short hairpieces, they might have gone away with it. But yeah, still not bad. Hair colour's on point. Sienna Santos. Now this is the same hairpiece as Claire's, just a different colour. But on this one, it's more suitable. This is definitely accurate. Yeah. Because when you see her in the film, you just think, my God, she's so cool. And she knows how cool she is. There we go, got a bit of a evil face. And then a more casual face. She's definitely one of the cooler bad guys in a Jurassic film. However, she just disappeared. Just completely disappeared from the action. Because Barry arrested her and then they were never seen again. Yeah, both of them. Barry and Santos. Played by Daikon Lackman as well, who sci-fi aficionados may remember from Torchwood and Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. So she's done Marvel and Doctor Who. Hey, now this is a cool little piece I've not seen before. It's, oh for goodness sake, will you focus please? At least try. There we go. It's a one stud pyramid. Look at that. That's so cool. Because we've seen one stud angles before, but I've never seen a one stud pyramid. Sweet. Mr. Sticker. Oh, let's put it on there. No, I don't know. Blooming stickers, I don't. I wouldn't even said these are necessary, but yeah, blooming cartoon detail. I don't know. Okay, there we go. putting something in. Right, here we go. Okay, right, that one goes there. Ooh, we're connecting more. Ooh, we're doing more. Ah, that's why we've got this here, so we can connect this here. You see? Wunderbar. Lovely. Right, okay. So put that like that. Cool. Guess what, everyone? We are done. There we go. Just make sure I haven't missed anything too important. Ooh, we've got a nice panorama of the available creatures in the Jurassic World Dominion line. So we've got the 2 T-Rexes, we've got the 2 Atrociraptors, the 2 baby raptors, Pteranodon, we've got Velociraptor and Blue and Beta. We've got the Quetzalcoatlus, the Therizinosaurus, Giganotosaurus, and yeah. Nice little size chart at the bottom as well. Shows you what sets they're in. Nice little overview of what's been available. And yeah, that's it. We're done! I'm here to tell you that I think this is, you know, undoubtedly a paleontologically accurate Tyrannosaurus Rex. And you can't tell me otherwise. But I suppose we'll have to do it the way the Lego plastic gold. Yes, I can agree with that. Whoa! Which is why... Get some body horror going. Yeah! And there we go. Tyrannosaur. Hi. Nice buttery ratchets. Clickety ratchets. Some nice friction hinges for the thing. Oh yes. Click. Clickety click. Buttery click. And then a chompy click. There we go. So that goes in here. There we go. Looks like it's in a station. Sort of. Kind of. Kind of captured in the Malta market. It obviously... There's a big elephant in the room, and that is that a T-Rex was never in the Malta market scene. Not even in the extended edition. So why is this? I think this is just basically purely for toyetic reasons. Because if they didn't have the T-Rex, then it'd just essentially be the truck here. The minifigs and the Atrociraptor inside the truck. Which would be fine, but I think what they have are targets to meet, you know, certain, like, parameters with different classes and sizes of Lego sets. So this one is a big one, and it had to meet that parameter. So... They did that with... Oh, God. They did that with the T-Rex. And the truck just about fits under there? Sort of. Does it actually fit the whole way through? Oh, no. It's because it's on it. Thick. There we go. So you can kind of go through there. That's cool. Oh, no. The cage is coming off. Oh, okay. Right, so slowly, steady, there we go. So you can kind of back up in there. That's cool. Like a parking bay almost. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. So get the Atrociraptor out. Get Tiger out here. And where are the ladies? So we've got Claire and Sayana. Sayana Santos. I think. I got Owen and Rain. And there we go. That's the T-Rex and Atrociraptor Malta Breakout. And then we've also got the one we did earlier. The little one, the Atrociraptor Dinosaur Bike Chase. So we've got more Malta Dinosaur Black Market stuff here, which included the bike as well, bit of a holding pen for baby dinosaur, and another Atrociraptor, Ghost, and then Owen and Rain again. And of course, now and we have the little polybag kit that came on its own. So yeah, a nice little Malta setup here. The only main character I feel like is really missing that should have been included in at least one of these sets is Barry. It should have been included with this one, I think. But yeah, overall, not bad at all. Oh, just for fun as well, I have with me the Speed Champions Bond Aston Martin DB5. Since Jurassic World Dominion is a lot like a Bond film at times, especially in the Malta sequence and the evil lair at the end, you know, got to compare it with the one and only Speed Champions Bond car. So put that there just to hammer that home. And yeah, and I think that will do it for now. Yeah, so all that remains for me to say is, you know, thank you very much for watching. Be your awesome T-cells into each other. Wash your dang hands, obviously. And probably see you in the next thing. Bye.